Welcome to the Aero booth at the Embedded World exhibition in Nuremberg. I'm now here together with Fiona from Analog Devices, and we will be talking about industrial trends. Hi Fiona, maybe as a starter, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Absolutely. So my name is Fiona Treacy. I am the Managing Director of our Industrial Automation team in Analog Devices. And that covers a lot of different technologies, but also the end market focus.
And what are the major trends in your responsibility area, which is industrial?
Yes, absolutely. So it's a really exciting time of transformational change in industrial, and that's driven by a couple of key trends. You have this desire to make factories more efficient. We've a lot of energy is consumed within factories today, and we need to use that energy more efficiently. So make better use of energy. Number two is to drive productivity and utilization, and through doing that, we can make better use of the energy. The third area we see is a revolution in terms of real-time awareness, deployment of more and more robotics and automation systems that can perceive their environment in real time and adjust their performance accordingly. And of course, connectivity is also a key trend. We have to access all of this data from the intelligent edge and utilize it within our factory networks.
And what is specifically Analog Devices contributing to these trends?
Yes, absolutely. So I guess the key trend area is about capturing intelligence at the edge. And ADI is, we are orchestrating the combined power of our intelligence sensing, actuation, measurement, connectivity and control to engineer a sustainable and a system level solution at the edge. And by capturing real world analog signals and interpreting them, we can drive a data driven transformation. So by being closer to the data, the source of that data, and the domain within which it's used, we can better determine how and where to use that information to optimize systems for efficiency and to optimize them for flexibility. The other key thing I should mention is factories are becoming more and more flexible. And that's through some of the robotics, but in enabling them to become software configurable.
And what kind of product solutions, demos you're showing here at Embedded World to underline these?
Yes, absolutely. So we have a couple of demos centered around three key areas of the digital factory of the future. Connectivity demos, automated control, and intelligence at the edge. So if I just briefly mention our connectivity demo brings together time-sensitive networking so you can control mission-critical and non-mission critical data in the factory. Ethernet to the edge, which is really important for retrofitting within factories. So you can bring Ethernet all the way to the edge and you can use the existing cabling infrastructure. Control is about software configurable control, so rather than fixed function, you can actually configure it in real time, and that enables the flexibility to reconfigure production lines. Also moving control systems closer to the source of use, so onto the instrument that they're controlling, like moving a motor onto a drive. And the third area we're showcasing is our intelligence at the edge. So smart intelligence sensors, actuators. We can now use some of our controllers like our Max 7 8000 to actually run artificial intelligence in battery-powered sensors that are at the edge. And that means that not all things are going to be done in the cloud. A lot of it is going to be done at the edge, and you can make much faster decisions, and you can make them locally to make more responsive equipment.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Great to be here today. Thank you.